Our teeth play a key role in a beautiful smile, and today, I'm going to show you how to whiten them naturally using baking soda. A bright smile can boost your confidence and leave a lasting impression. That's why keeping your teeth clean and white is so important. Gather ingredients. You'll need just a simple ingredients, baking soda and water. That's all it takes. Together, they create a natural paste to help whiten your teeth gently. Make the paste. Take a small bowl and add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then, slowly add a few drops of water. Mix it well until you get a thick, smooth paste. Brush gently. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and gently brush your teeth for about 2 minutes. Make sure to cover all surfaces, especially the front teeth where stains are most visible. Avoid scrubbing too hard. Gentle circular motions work best. Once you're done brushing, spit out the paste and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Make sure no residue is left behind. You can also rinse your toothbrush well and store it for next use. Don't scrub too hard. Baking soda is mildly abrasive. Frequency. Use this method only 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Using it too often can wear down your enamel and make your teeth sensitive. Avoid if you have sensitive teeth or gum issues. Always consult your dentist before trying home remedies. A smile is a universal language that spreads positivity and warmth. It boosts your mood, reduces stress, and makes you more approachable. Smiling not only enhances your confidence, but also creates a lasting impression, helping you connect better with others.